Today we got to talk about magnesium deficiency, which depending on where you look, affects 60 to 80% of Americans. Now you may be wondering, why are we looking at a plant here? Well, I'm glad you asked. Now you may have heard of chlorophyll before. Chlorophyll is effectively the blood of plants. And chemically, you might notice that in structure, it looks very similar to human blood. The biggest difference is you have the magnesium here and an iron atom in the center here. Now we humans actually consume light energy through plants. They give us food in the form of carbohydrates and water, and we give them the CO2 they need to perpetuate the cycle. And when we're low on magnesium, it can lead to a bunch of different symptoms like brain fog, fatigue, muscle cramping and aching, numbness and tingling in certain areas of the body, poor sleep and stress, which is a primary reason why people go to the doctor anyway. If you want to build healthy blood, you'll have to consume foods that are rich in magnesium. These include a lot of leafy greens and red foods, as well as different nuts and seeds. And you'll find it interesting that the foods that are supposed to help build blood are also the same foods that are rich in magnesium.